It's not a bad shot. There's a serious battle going on. Brown creeper. Good morning. Downy woodpecker calling over there. The sun's rising. Looks so nice. You might be able to see the sun peeking through the trees over there. Whew. There's the sun. That's a Carolina wren right there. We'll come back to him in a second. Try and get my gear out. Okay, where's that Carolina wren? Wow, that's pretty. Pretty sure those are kinglets calling in there. Golden crown kinglets. There's ducks flying over. I think they're just mallards. All the mud's frozen. If I had to guess, the great blue heron is at Island Park. Well, it looks like a tree fell right in the middle of the path. Huh. Yeah, it's not bad. Woo! Woo! Made it. That just looks like it's gonna break. Go quick. Just heard another Carolina wren. Hairy woodpecker. Wow, there he is. He's mad. Like some doves over there. Yeah, we're gonna get to that side of the river because there's a lot of birds over there. What was that? Brown creeper. That's the song of the brown creeper. Oh, there he goes. American tree sparrow. Oh, they're getting a drink. Or they're in the ice. think I hear a golden crown kinglet again. I think. Man, there are so many robins. There's probably 100 robins. There's so many robins. That's all I hear. It's not a bad shot. Red-bellied woodpeckers are feisty. There's a serious battle going on between those red-bellied woodpeckers. I think there's 4 of them. Whoa! Those woodpeckers are seriously fighting. There they go. Back across the river to battle on that side. Let's see if we can find anything in the woods. I don't think anyone wants to come closer there. That nuthatch would want to. And he did come close earlier. Hearing those waxwings again. They must be right up there. Oh, the sun feels great. Excited for springtime to come. You guys are gonna love seeing warblers on these videos. Oh, song sparrow. Huh. Back in the spring, I climbed in there because I heard an ovenbird, and I was sitting back there in that dirt, and I got this shot. That was pretty fun. Oh, I just heard that song sparrow calling. This right here is also the tree I saw my first red-eyed vireo in. It's starting to warm up slowly. Let's go see if we can find anything on this side of the river. Robins are still going crazy. Some mallards. Hey guys. Sorry if I scared you. I have a cool spot I'd like to go up here. Sometimes you can see a ton of birds on these trees. A few months ago, on one of these trees back here, I got this picture of a downy woodpecker with the fall leaves in the background. Pretty cool. I actually think I see 3 white-breasted nuthatches in this tree. I'm also on the lookout for golden eagles that'll be soaring high in the sky on these sunny days. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. If you made it till the end, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.